Ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians first settled in Egypt along the River Nile around 5000 BCE. They ruled for almost 30 centuries. The kings and queens were known as pharaohs. This is the great temple of Ramesses II, which people still visit today. In another part of the temple, there are 4 statues of Ramesses sitting on his throne. This is a bird's-eye view of the center of Rome today. There are still many ancient buildings we can see in ancient Rome. The Colosseum is probably the most famous of them. This amphitheater was built between 72 AD and 80 AD and was used for sporting events, gladiator combats, and wild animal hunts. Chichen Itza, in the north of Mexico, was a Maya city. The Maya civilization were native Mexicans. They used these pyramid temples for religion and ceremonies. The temples were built during the classic Mayan civilization from 250 BCE to 850 AD.